Are you looking for the best new woodworking tools? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are sure best new woodworking tools, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1. Rockler Workbench Cookies Plus Work Grippers 4-pack. Rockler Bench Cookies protect workpiece from scratches. Experience Rockler Workbench Cookies Plus Work Grippers 4-pack. Rockler Bench Cookies protect workpiece from scratches. Bench Cookie Plus Work Grippers. Lift, grip, and protect your work with Rockler's Bench Cookie Plus Work Grippers. Since there's no need for clamps, the entire face of the workpiece is accessible, so you can route all 4 edges without having to reposition clamps. 4-pack Bench Cookies. This Bench Cookies woodworking pack includes 4, which is sufficient for most average-sized panels. Stacking 2 of our rubber pad workbench accessories provides enough clearance for most jigsaw blades and features a threaded insert in the bottom for adding an optional riser if more clearance is needed.
Product number 2. Thorvald new 3-in-1 carpenter pencils with finger grip for construction. Includes 7 leads plus sharpener. Solid mechanical pencils with fine point, best marking tools construction, carpenter's scriber. Experience Thorvald new 3-in-1 carpenter pencils with finger grip for construction. Includes 7 leads plus sharpener. Solid mechanical pencils with fine point, best marking tools construction, carpenter's scriber. Write on wood, metal, but also concrete and tiles. Are you having a hard time tracing on concrete and metal? Writing on a dark surface is no longer a problem, thanks to the yellow leads provided with the construction pen. What's more, the included leads are perfect for tracing anywhere and stronger than dry leads. This makes it the ideal construction pencil for carpenters, masons, and the like, as well as for all other trades. The essential 3-in-1 pencil recommended by professionals. This professional carpenter pencil brings together everything a handyman needs. It's solid, precise, and practical, and thanks to its orange color, it's easy to find, even in the middle of a carpentry project. Moreover, its fine point of 6mm and 43mm length allows it to go and trace in any hole. And if you extend the lead, you can even trace in holes of 2.8mm.
Product number 3. Saker Contour Gauge Tool for Woodworking. Experience Saker Contour Gauge Tool for Woodworking. Perfect Valentine's Day gift for men, women, husband, wife, him, her, anyone who loves DIY or woodworking projects. Precise shape duplication. Saker Contour Gauge designed for winding pipes, circular frames, ducts, vertical moldings, baseboard heights, and many objects. Ideal for fitting tiles, laminate, carpet, measuring wall heights, checking dimensions, molding, etc. Useful tool for operations on car bodies, carpentry, ceiling trims, and all kinds of modeling.
Product number 4. Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide for making repetitive, narrow, thin strip cuts. Woodworking Tools. Fast, thin experience. Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide for making repetitive, narrow, thin strip cuts. Woodworking Tools. Fast, thin ripping guide for table saw, bandsaw, router table. Fits for 3/8 by 3/4 T-slot. Easy to use. Going Make Thin Rip Jig is easy to use. Just slide the guide into T-track miter slot of your table saw and lock it in front of the saw blade. Fits for 3/8 by 3/4 T-slot and U-shape slot and 1/4 by 3/8 T-slot. The thin rip jig can extend to 8-inch from the center of miter slot to blade. Thin rip table saw accessories makes thin strips cut consistent and easily. Safe and fast. Going Make Table Saw Jig Thin Ripping Guide provides safe and fast thin strips cutting. The one-way roller bearing ensures the workpiece moves forwards and does not kick back, making safe and fast repetitive narrow strip cutting with ease. You can keep the same thickness thin strips cutting consistent with this table saw thin rip jig.
Product number 5. 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler Experience. Experience 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler. Product material. The measuring ruler is made of aluminum alloy with high hardness, lightweight, corrosion resistance, rust prevention, and other characteristics. Product design. 2 measuring rulers with scales and graphics are spliced into a common measuring tool. The minimum scale is mm and the longest scale is 112 millimeters, 4.4 inches. The ruler body is thickened. One ruler can be used for multiple purposes. It can be scribed, it can measure 45 and 90 degrees. It is easy to disassemble and easy to carry.